Example 4. Factorise. Part 1, a cubed plus 8b cubed. Part 2, 64c cubed minus 125d cubed. So part 1, we are going to rewrite 8a cubed plus 8b cubed as the sum of two cubes. So a cubed just stays as it is, and 8b cubed can be rewritten as 2b to be cubed. So we're going to use the formula on the bottom, which is the formula for the sum of two cubes. So we're going to get the cube root of a cubed. So the cube root and the cubed will cancel, leaving us with a. And we're going to get the cube root of 2b to be cubed. So we apply the cube root, and then the cube root and the cubed will cancel, leaving us with 2b. So x is equal to a and y is equal to 2b. And now we just sub into the formula and simplify. So we start off with one set of brackets with a plus in the middle. So we replace the x with a and the y with 2b. So then we have another set of brackets, but there's a lot going on inside the brackets. So we're going to have square brackets around it initially. So then we're going to replace the x there from the x squared with a. So we're going to have an a in here. And then this x and y are stuck together, which means multiply. So that's why I have the brackets together here. So that x becomes a and that y becomes 2b. And in the next step, we'll multiply them. And then that y there from the y squared becomes 2b. So next we just have to simplify. So we're going to multiply out where we can. So we bring down the a plus 2b inside the brackets. And then we have a to be squared is a squared minus a times 2b is minus 2ab. And 2b to be squared is 4b squared. So this is our answer. A plus 2b multiplied by a squared minus 2ab plus 4b squared. Part 2, we want to factorise 64c cubed minus 125d cubed. So we're going to rewrite these in cube form. So 64c cubed can be rewritten as 4c to be cubed, and 125d cubed can be rewritten as 5d to be cubed. So we have the difference of two cubes now. So we're going to use the top formula. So we're going to get the cube root of 4c to be cubed. So the cube root and the cubed will cancel, leaving us with 4c. And we're going to get the cube root of 5d to be cubed. And the cube root and the cubed will cancel, leaving us with 5d. So our x is going to be 4c and our y is going to be 5d. So now we just sub into the formula. So we're going to have a set of brackets with a minus in between. And we put 4c into the front of the brackets and 5d into the back of the brackets in place of the x and y. So then again, we have another set of brackets, and there's a lot going on inside of this. So we're going to have square brackets again until we tidy it up. So in place of the x here, we are going to have 4c. So it's going to be 4c to be squared. Then the x and the y are stuck together. So that's why we have the two sets of brackets stuck together. So we replace the x for 4c and we replace the y with 5d. And we'll multiply them in the next step. And then we have y at the back, y squared. So replacing that with 5d. And then we multiply out the brackets. So we bring down the 4c minus 5d in brackets. And then 4c to be squared is 16c squared. 4c times 5d is 20cd. And 5d to be squared is 25d squared. So our answer is 4c minus 5d times 16c squared plus 20cd plus 25d squared.